Hey friend, hey, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're going to be looking at our savings challenges for 2022. Let's look at them, let's color them, let's stuff them. Stay tuned. Hey friend, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're going to be using baddies and budget saving challenges to stuff some of our envelopes. So let's see how much we're going to be able to stuff today. We have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 295, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. We have $341 that we can stuff for our savings challenges. Let's put these in their respective homes. How are you guys doing this week, this weekend? MLK Day is coming up. Are you going to any parades? Are you staying home? They have parades over here. Not sure if we're going to go due to the, but that doesn't stop us from watching movies and learning a little bit more. Alrighty, so let's move on to, we're going to skip savings. Savings is all of our ones, so I want to see what we have left over after we stuff our savings challenges. Let's move the money back because we have to bring out the coloring. All right, so for beauty, right now we have a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 110, 20. We have 120. And if you recall, let's move some things around. See everything. So what we already had, we colored in, and what I did down here with the hair dryer, I only shaded in half of the hair dryer because I only had 20, which was the hair dryer was $40. So what I want to do today is I want to do the other 20 to finish the hair dryer, and I want to do these little makeup brushes. So let's do $26 going towards our hair. So $26. All right, let's color. Alrighty, so we finished coloring the rest of the blow dryer and the two makeup brushes. Let's move on to our next. Didn't want to stay. Let's move on to our next savings challenge. All right, our next savings challenges are that Snowball. We usually put $50 in here, so this time I did 5, 10. So let's take this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's open our debt snowball envelope and count how much we have in it so far. Put the tens here. We have 51, 52. Let's start again. Money out of order. We have 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 80, 93, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 94, 10, 20, 25, 30. We have 430 now. 430. So because we put in 5 tens, we are going to color in 5 lips. Let's get to coloring. Alrighty, so we colored in our 5 lips and we're almost there. We're almost there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have $70 more to fill in so that our debt snowball will be complete. I'm not sure which debt we're going to use this for. I have an idea, but we'll see what me and my wife come up with. Let's move on to the next one. Emergency fund. So what I wanted to do here is I wanted to knock out all of the 5s, and I think I did a 15 with this too. 6 5s. 1. Oh, okay. Jump out. We'll take you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then our 2 10s. So that should give me $50. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Oh, I was supposed to have 6 5s, sorry. That should give me my 50. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Let's open up our emergency fund and see what we have. For emergency fund, we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170. We have 170. So let's get the orange and let's color in our emergency funds. Okay, so emergency fund has been colored and my little markers are not going to withstand the rest of this, so I might just switch to either highlighters or color pencils. Said that before. Alrighty, so let's move on to our little savings challenge before we move on to our last stuffing for the baddies and budgets challenge. So again, this is a little tracker also from baddies and budgets. She uses this for her student loans, but I'm going to use this for our City One loans. If you watch our previous video, which I'll tag here, you will see that I paid the bill and then I also stuffed extra. So we're supposed to stuff $71. So I'm going to put $71 in here. 50, 71, $71. So I stuff it in this little envelope back here. And I fill in this little tracker. I budgeted for 71, and I don't know if I'm going to put anything else in here, but for right now I'm going to just put 71, and I'm going to today is the, I don't even know what today is, 14th. And I added $71, which brought my total down to, let's bring out the old trusty calculator. So I'm at 1261, and we're going to subtract, we're going to subtract $71, and now I'm at 1190. So my new balance is 1190 from the original balance of 1693. So let's fill in some of this money bag. We only have a couple of dollars in the money bag. I think it was $9. So we still aren't able to color it all in. So we'll stop about halfway. It's about halfway. Okay. Like some of the money bags is rubbing off. Okay. So now, since that's stuff, we're going to move on to our last challenge, our 100 envelope challenge. Okay, let's see what we have left over. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40, 1, 42, 43, 44. Now we originally said that we were going to stuff 31 for this stuffing, so let's take out 31. And it's here. All right, so let's see what else we can stuff. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. So let's do, we haven't stuffed, we stuffed 40. Let's stuff 61, 20, 40, 60. So let's stuff 60. Let's mark that to color. And then we have 20, 40. So let's do 41. And we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's do, I want to put some in my 1, so I'm not even going to use these. Alrighty, so let's stuff these. Okay, you guys, I realized that I was supposed to originally stuff 33, but for some reason, I guess I forgot the extra $2. So we're just going to stuff the 32, and all the remaining ones we're still going to put in our savings. So let's stuff these. Find these numbers. Okay, I found the numbers. We have 31, we have 41, and we have 60. 60. So this is my 31. Always have a hard time folding these. Let's see how we do today. Fa la 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 la. Are any of you guys doing the 100 envelope challenge? I mentioned in my previous videos that this envelope challenge, this 100 envelope challenge, I'm going to try to do twice because it's going to go towards our trip in Hawaii. So, and I'm trying to do it big. I mean, we've gone there a couple of times. The wife is from there. So, we have a lot to still see. We're trying to bring as much family members as possible. So I'm trying to get them to also do this 100 envelope challenge. I know my grandmother she's like, okay, 100 envelopes, that's a little too much for me, but what I'll do is, did I say 66 or 60? Yeah, and I think I colored, oh no, I colored 60. Oh no, I guess I'm tripping. What was I saying? My grandmother said that 100 envelopes is a little too much for her, so she's doing it by month. So at least she's doing something, right? All right, so our 100 envelope challenge is stuff. We're going to move back to our savings. We're not going to count these ones anymore. We're not going to count the ones that's in here. And we're going to add it to our $1. Soon enough, all these $1 will have to move to a new home. All right, again, friend, thank you for making it to the end of this video. I really appreciate you watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Yes, subscribe, and come back. Again, I always tell you, something's better than nothing. Keep it going, keep it moving, keep it growing. You got this. I believe in you. And until next time, bye.